Okay, YouTube, Mr. Taste 313.
Some pictures of your food?
At Taco Time, you know, I keep hearing people be coming way from across the planet to come to Taco Time, and I wanted to come see what it was about.
I gotta open my sausage.
I don't know. So this is the sexy quesadilla. Okay. Tacos. Regular cheese quesadilla. And the street corn. So look, so what we gonna do, we gonna see what this hitting on. You know, I got one with the Flamin' Hots. You know, I like the Flamin' Hots, so I gotta see what's going on. Y'all gotta forgive me for looking around because you know. But let's see what this thing hitting like. You know, we're gonna try this motherfucking.
This is so good. I'm so sorry. One of my charms popped in your corn.
Oh my God,
It's not in it, but it's like on the side. It's like
my
on the
stepdaughter popping charms in my corn.
It didn't pop like on your corn, it just popped like next to it.
She's doing me bad, ain't she? Get it.
Hey, this is cute.
Ooh.
I can't get it. Okay, I got it. This junk hot too.
Well, I mean, it's good. That's that sauce or whatever. It's good. The kitchen nasty as fuck, though. I'm sorry for cussing. It's nasty, you know. Yo, baby girl didn't go grab the food I was gonna grab. I was gonna do the whole scene from picking up the food and everything for y'all to see the kitchen. But tacos good. Better than Taco Bell. But Mr. Taste on the Taco Time. Yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it. You feel me? I'm gonna get better with this video stuff. I'm just starting back, so get at your boy.